Today we're going to install brand new wheel covers on this 2012 Toyota Corolla, but you could do it on any vehicle. Alright, so this will be 16-inch wheels. I already installed both of those there, and the one on the other side, I just have one here so I can make the video. First, what we're going to do is grab this metal rod. We're going to make sure that this loop is upwards if you place it completely down, because when we put it on, we want it to face away from the wheel cover, so it gives us the gap for the valve stem. What we're going to do is we're going to insert it right into this first one all the way around. You want to make sure that this is matching this little groove here, and just put it all the way around. Might need both hands to do this. Let's see if I can do it with one. And I was. Sweet. And we'll just line this up a little bit. Alright, and there we have it. You want to make sure you want to have a nice big gap like that. And there we have it. We're going to go over to the other side. If you have black wheels, I suggest spraying some black paint on them just to make them look nice and glossy so they pop with the wheel or the wheel cover. It doesn't matter what kind of paint you use. This is project paint. It's like 99 cents at Lowe's, or you get 99-cent paint at Walmart. Doesn't matter. That way it looks nice and glossy. Next, we're gonna match up this valve stem with that hole there. Bring it in, just like so. Just align it down, press it in, and there you have it. And that is how you install these wheel covers on any vehicle. Doesn't have to be on the specific make and model, but that's how you get it done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.